Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this 2011 GL550. I've had few GLs on the channel but haven't had a 550 yet. And this one is white with cream interior. You can tell the GLs by this extended fenders, large 21-inch wheels, and very big tires. Also, another differentiation is the front bumper, which we'll come to it again in a little bit. This car has 180,000 miles. It's a very nice condition. It's a little bit dirty since the car came from 400 miles away from Bay Area to get this job done, because they couldn't find anyone to do this job around the area, and I happily took care of it for him. Can tell 550, which indicates the larger engine, 5.5 liter, 382 horsepower. It's missing the tall hitch cover right there. It's not a big deal. I'm sure you can get one on eBay possibly. These wheels look great. On a little bit earlier version they have slightly different looking 5-spoke wheels. I think those look fantastic too. Overall, these GLs 550s look a lot nicer than the regular 450s or diesel ones. This fender flares and these wheels, and also this different bumper treatment with the lower grille looking larger and lower, give it a lot more aggressive look, and I think it looks really good. You know, I was kind of playing with the idea of getting one for myself, but they're a little too big and a little too heavy for my liking for drivability. They're a little bit on a heavier side, more like a large Range Rover. The way they drive, they're great, but they're a little bit on the soft side. So this car came to get a transfer case chain replaced. There's the old chain that was stretched. The new one is in already. Fluid is in, and its car is pretty much ready to go. Yeah, we can also take a look at under the hood and under the car. Here's the M273 5.5 liter V8. This is the larger version of the V8s that come on this car, and I think it complements it well with more power for this heavy car. These are pretty reliable. I have few of them that regularly come with around 200,000 miles or more, and no real issues. Some of the issues are intake manifold flaps get stuck, intake manifold needs to be replaced, oil leaks here and there, and the biggest issue is usually the timing chain needs to be redone due to the adjusters and the crank bearing failing. Let's take a look at the bottom. Let's take a look at the bottom of this GL. Let's go start from the back. Very hot day today. So you can see the 550 badge right there. The 550 differentiates from the 450 with this double squared off exhaust tips. You can see there's a separate exhaust inside, but it's just the tips look different. And with this big plate over here, has a tow bar in the back. All the GLs have air suspension. This one has been done a few years ago with you can see it says Contitech Arnold springs, and it's been working well, no issues, the owner said. And you see the exhaust. Here's our transfer case that has just been sealed a couple of hours ago, and I put fluid in there already, and everything's looking good. That was the main issue, that car was here. There's a little bit of oil leak going on over there. Gonna check it out and let the owner know. It's gonna be it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There's more videos are gonna come soon. Thank you.